Hey guys, Tony here. It looks like LossLess is running. I did buy like another like 2 grand, I think, at like the 180 level or like 170 ish. Where is it? Right? Yeah, when we were consolidated, so like 176, I bought like another 2K. I think my full LossLess position right now hit over 20,000. So I think it's like a 21K position. I got so much stuff open. Yeah, so I'll show you guys here 21 568 95. So it's officially over 20 grand my lossless position. Again, I still think it's undervalued at only like, I think it's only right now trading at still like a 30 maybe 40 million dollar valuation. Like, how is a company or how is a crypto that already has its tech, that already had its not I don't want to say value, but already has a working tech that already proved itself, like I think like a month ago or something, in actually working. It's barely 30 million. Look at the market cap, it's 30 million. I think this coin is going to $1 billion, if not even bigger than that. So again, not really sure why. Like I said, personally, I think LossLess should be worth around minimum, I think like $1 billion valuation. Again, I think the tech is fantastic. It's basically insurance on your crypto. If an exchange actually gets hacked. And again, I'm not shilling this. This is just the project that I really, really like. And I just think it's super undervalued, right? I think it's essentially like buying, Microsoft or Apple or Amazon, like when they were trading at like $5, right? Back like, like years and years and years ago. So, LossLess is breaking out. I think for the most part, if it doesn't keep running here, we did break trend. So if anything, you can possibly see it just kind of come back down and retest trend here. And then you see it shoot up, or you see it run up, or we basically just come all the way down to like here somewhere. In which case, if we do come down to like there, right? If we do come down to possibly, I think it maybe there might be a chance that it drops to 175. If we do drop to that, I'm definitely loading up again on LossLess, because again, this is a long-term hold. I wouldn't mind holding this for like the next year or two, possibly a couple of years. I really think that this, as far as what the company does and LossLess does, I think the crypto it's essentially insurance, right? So if an exchange ever gets hacked, you basically can get all of your funds like redeemed, or at least they can they have a bunch of metrics that they track where they can tell if an exchange is actually getting hacked or a certain crypto is getting hacked, where there's going to be a big like takeaway of coins and stuff, right? So I just think it's a great crypto. Honestly, I just think it's a great project, and this is why I invested, because I can just look at this like every couple of days and not really look, and I'm like, as long as I think that it's a good investment, I don't have to look at it daily, right? I think personally it's going to keep growing. If it doesn't grow, then oh well. I basically lost out on a bunch of profit and like a couple grand and stuff, but at least I'm not worried, right? I can walk away for a week, not look at this chart, come back, and it's sitting at the same place or even higher. Fantastic. I'm telling you, to me it's just like a Microsoft or Apple or Amazon of crypto, right? I just think it's that same like blue chip level. I think it'll eventually get there, but definitely I think right now it's still undervalued. I think at 30 million, I think that it should be valued more like at least $500 million, closer to 700, possibly a billion. But we'll see what happens. I definitely think it'll keep running from here. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.